Welcome. This is a guided meditation for breathing for medium amounts of stress. We all get into stressful situations from time to time, so it's not about eliminating stress from our lives, but about how we manage it and react to it. When you encounter something that stresses you out, a medium amount, you need to manage the stress so that it doesn't build into more, which will surely disrupt your daily routine. Things that are medium stressors are like you have a deadline coming up sooner than you thought, and now you have a lot to do in a short time. Or you have a social dinner to attend, and you really don't want to see some of the people that will be there. If you let stress get the better of you, it distracts you from becoming able to focus. Also, if you really don't want to go to the dinner with these people, but you know you have to, you can take steps to manage the stress so that you can go through the dinner without harming yourself from the ill effects of stress. When you are stressed, you cannot focus. So on the other hand, when you focus, you cannot be stressed. So make sure that you have a comfortable seat to sit on. Sit down, make yourself comfortable. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor and your arms are either on the arms of the chair or on your lap. Take a deep breath in and just allow your body to relax. And breathe normally. What is it like right now? Feel your belly expand and contract with your breath. Feel your chest gently rise and fall. Can you feel the air passing through your nose softly as you breathe? Notice every single detail about your breath that you can. Feel it filling all the different areas as you inhale. Is the air warm or cool? Good. Now let's take 3 big breaths together and pay attention to how each breath feels. 1. Breathing in as much as you can until you're brimming with air. Hold it and exhale, allowing relaxation to come to you. Breathe normally. 2. Pulling air fully into your body and hold it. And exhale, allowing you to become even more relaxed. Breathe normally. 3. The last one, so make it really, really good. Breathe fully in. Hold it. And exhale, feeling much more relaxed than when you started. And breathe normally. That's great. You may notice that breathing with intention is a very powerful tool in changing your state of mind. If you feel you need to relax even more, you can repeat these 3 powerful breaths at any time. Breathing deeply and fully is helpful in any situation, but especially during the more difficult times in our lives. Another wonderful tool that you can use when you're experiencing a moderate stress level is nature. Viewing nature is very relaxing and calming to every human. You can either go to a place where there are tall trees, nice grass, beautiful flowers. You can take a walk around your neighbourhood or workplace and pay attention to the plants around you. plants and trees provide us with oxygen after all, so we do greatly need them. So when you find stress is beginning to build in you, take a walk or gaze out of the window into nature. Be grateful for nature when you see it. Thank the nature in your mind for all the relaxation it brings to everyone around the world. If you cannot get to a place outdoors, then simply imagine it. Let's imagine right now we are in a beautiful garden. So if you haven't already done so, close your eyes. When you close your eyes, a wave of relaxation sweeps over you, and you see that you're in a beautiful garden. There is a soft and natural path through the garden that you begin to walk down. In this garden, there are so many exquisite plants producing the most beautiful flowers you have ever seen. The trees around you are thriving and tall. The trees sway in the wind with grace, back and forth, back and forth. You look down at the smaller shrubs and plants that are passing by as you walk along this path. And you can see their leaves of various kinds being caressed by the wind. Some leaves are waxy and reflect the sunlight, while others are soft and delicate. You take a deep breath in of this fresh air these plants produce for you, and you catch the aroma of a gorgeous flower. You look around to see which plant this fragrance is coming from, and spot the most beautiful white flower you have ever seen. It's huge, almost the size of a dinner plate, and it smells sweeter than any rose. You get closer to this flower, and the fragrance is mesmerizing. You're right up next to this flower now, and you bend down and smell it even closer. When you inhale its beauty, the aroma of this flower heals you in all kinds of ways. The sweet smell eliminates stress in your mind and body. Inhale another deep breath in your nose. The aroma is healing your body and any illnesses or ailments. Take in another breath of its beauty, and you feel it completely relax you and set you at ease. Good. You haven't felt this nice in a very long time. So say goodbye to this flower and thank it for everything it gave you. And continue down the path through nature. It is beautiful here, and you feel safe. You can feel the gentle sun rays on your skin, and feel how it brings you nutrients. Just enjoy being in your garden for a while. Great. Now walk back along the path the way you came and say goodbye to all the beautiful nature that you saw there. You can always come back to this place by simply remembering it and allow the thought of nature to simply eliminate all of your stress. I'm going to count from 1 to 5 now, and with each word I say, you will become more and more aware of the present moment and ready to go about your day. 1. Coming back now. 2. Bringing back the memory of nature with you. 3. Feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. 4. Feeling stress-free and ready to achieve anything. And 5. Open your eyes now, welcome back, and enjoy the rest of your day.